for research, what I understand is collaboration, and that is where no this consortium really helps, where
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
exchange informations and you can also build collaborations,
definitely.
right? Second aspect is funding.
Yeah.
Right. So when funding is there, how Government of India or different agencies of Government of India are helping in giving funds in this research? If you can
Yes.
say.
I know we perennially, especially basic scientists, we perennially complain and because never any amount is enough for us. We have more ideas than the fund we have in our kitty. We always say that. And it is a definitive, uh, point which needs to be addressed. And fund needs to be increased definitively, but I know there are priorities, other priorities also, so government policies will be depending on that. We can be always saying it, but ultimately they would decide it. But nonetheless, I would say that whatever work we perform, we carry out, it's completely funded through the national agencies for me, for our group. So, be it the DBT, DST, ICMR, and BIRAC. So, BIRAC was very useful for me and helpful for me because I had got the BIRAC PACE grant, and I've got one more now. So, through the BIRAC, I could generate these IPSCs from patient.
Well, mm,
Yes. So they were early on, they could understand the importance of having an Indian ethnicity, be it the healthy control IPSCs and the PD IPSCs, PD patient IPSCs, because eventually, if their drug screening becomes a norm for screening drug, be it for prescription or be it for clinical trial for getting to understand predictive population, you would need lines over there.
yeah.
So we had got a project wherein we had generated the lines and definitely to also establish whether the disease phenotype is getting replicated on them or not. So even though it's an industrial arm over there, but I'm very happy that that they also have opportunity for academicians like us to even pitch in and